Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So, I was in at mcquade today, looking at a few items actually. Some upgrades for the studio, and for the computer, which is going to involve the studio. Some of you know I have a snowball mic that's been actually acting up for the last while, and it's nothing but a pain in the neck with the deal with the company. Been through that, and screw the warranty. Anyway, so I was talking to the manager there, I believe he was, James. Anyways, USB mics, something that's got some really good quality, and I can add some gain control. And this one seems to fit it. Now, it's $189, which isn't bad. So I've got this on loan to try it out. They have a neat little loan program, which is cool. But anyways, USB for the computer. It's Mac and PC compatible both. So we've got manual, of course. Nice box. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, you even got a windscreen. Nice. Wow. Heavy metal stand. That's really cool. Alright. Oh, looks like we got a pretty good long USB cable. That's awesome. So anyways, $189 actually doesn't seem to be too bad if it does everything I need it to do. We'll find out, that's for sure. And if not, there are other alternatives. But I really like the look of this one. It's got a pretty neat look to it. And it does have a standard thread, so you can actually hook this up to a regular mic stand as well if you wanted to. Which is a nice little bonus. So, screw that in tighter. And that looks like as high as it goes there. Just screw this collar down in place. There we go. So I'm definitely going to be giving this thing a thorough testing and see how it does. Because I need something that can also pick up at a distance as well. Which my snowball mic, of course, no longer is capable of doing. So, it looks like we have a monitor control on this thing. Volume. 0 to 10, minus 10 dB. That's, yeah, just a little micro switch. A little headphone thing, too. That looks kind of neat. That's wild. There we go. Let me give you guys a better angle here. Well, as far as the overall looks goes, this thing looks pretty sick. And then our USB cable just plugs in right underneath here. So that's kind of nice. So if you want to put it on like a regular mic stand, you just unscrew this whole thing off the base here and screw it into your mic stand. And that's all metal. That's got some quality. That's looking promising so far. The monitor thing is kind of neat. Wow. Let's take a quick look at the instructions here. Okay, so the features of this is studio quality 32mm gold sputtered Caroid capsule, USB 2.0, 16-bit, 192 kilohertz output, integrated stereo headphone output with level and mix controls, microphone input gain control, which I really need, Rugged zinc and aluminum chassis and stainless steel wire mesh windscreen. Oh yeah, we got the windscreen here. There, now she's looking pretty cool. Hardtail microphone stand mount and USB cable is included, compatible with Windows and Mac operating systems. Desktop tripod microphone stand included. Installation procedure is simple. Since it's fully USB compliant, you can use either Mac running OS X or any PC running Windows XP or later. So right down to Windows XP or the newest Windows 10. Simply connect the microphone to a standard USB port. Using the included USB cable and plug and play, you'll be able to control your Apex 555 using the standard audio interface controls in your Mac OS 10 or Windows OS. Since it is possible to adjust the level of the signal from the operating system preferences and in your recording software, it's a good idea to get familiar with these controls in Mac or Windows OS. Therefore, we recommend that you follow the enclosed instructions for either XP or Mac OS before installing the software driver. Any 1/8 inch TRS headphone or earbud can be connected to the headphone output. It is advised to set the playback level to 0 when connecting the microphone to any USB input when headphones are connected. Yeah, of course the Mac will automatically recognize this thing, no problems there. And then you just go set the rest up in your sound preferences. Is there a page 2 to this, or do we just... No, I guess we just flip over the page. Tells you how to set it up in PC. Microphone placement. Yeah. Okay. So, that is pretty much the basics on it. They actually show a pair of headphones plugged into the mic here in the picture. I don't care about headphones. I'm more concerned with the rest of it as far as being able to get down to business of what I need it to do. So our mic gain is on this side. So we'll turn it down to start with. We don't need the volume, and we certainly do not need the monitor, which is fine. But of course we got the USB cable here. I may have to buy a USB extension and a second microphone stand, because then this way I can really add to some fun stuff. Wow, this cable is really long. Well, that's at least a good 10-foot cable. Yeah, that's pretty close to 10 feet. Slam that right in there. Bingo. Alright, so stay tuned for a review video with some test sample clips of how this thing actually does. And if this thing works out, then I'm definitely going to be buying this thing. It's like I said, it's really nice that mcquade has this loan program thing, because you can try something out and see if you like it first, and that's pretty awesome. I like that. And it's hard to find good USB mics. That's for sure, you know. And so we'll see how good this thing is, and if it fits the purposes. Like I said, I will definitely be buying this thing. So, I mean, looks aren't everything. We already know that, right? So, but that's got some good build quality to it, I'm seeing. It's nice they include the windscreen too, which is good. That reduces a lot of pop and stuff. Yeah, so that looks pretty good, actually, you know. That looks nice. Let's see how it sounds, though. Anyway, stay tuned for a video or two on this. Like I said, we'll do some testing with it and see how it does with different types of music, different placements, that sort of thing, level controls, see what the gain is like on it. And and we'll go from there. So anyways, guys, that's what I got for you for today anyhow, and thanks to Long mcquade for having an awesome loaner program, because, yeah, that's pretty cool. Anyways, see you later, guys.